So hello, welcome to Late Night Talk with Luis, and today's topic, um, I haven't think this through, and it's kind of a impromptu. Just recording myself um, with no plan or script. So I'm going to ramble about random things. So yeah. Um, hmm. So this is let me think. I want to talk about what would I see myself in the future? Maybe 5 years, 5 years in the future. Um, I hope I have 1 million subscribers. 5 years. I'm hoping, and I hope my business in GFox will flourish or grow. I hope I get my passive income, and also my content creation like this one. I hope my communication skills will improve even more, and my storytelling and um, um, yeah, like the topic things I want to talk about. I want to ramble about random things, and yeah, I want to ramble random things because I like to talk really. But sometimes I have this mental blocks. It prevents me from thinking um, what what is the next thing I would say. And I'm practicing my grammar on English. If I spoke Tagalog, maybe the YouTube algorithm will show. Um, I the audience I want is from America and foreign countries. Um, Let me think. I'm running out of words to say. Um, let me think. Someday in the future, I will talk about this some somewhere in the future. I can't express, or I can't say what I want to say because speaking English, speaking in English while thinking on what to say, it's really hard for me to to say. Yeah. So that's it for now. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. And I hope the algorithm do me a favor. So goodbye again. Bye.